Hi. So I'm going to do a quick demo of an app that I just built called Chefmate AI. The reason why I wanted to build this, if you know me outside of LinkedIn, you know that I love to eat, love to cook. And a problem that I've noticed with a lot of recipe sites as they exist is that they're super static. If you're missing an ingredient, if you want to make a healthy alternative, if something happens like, hey, my sauce is too thick, you've got to go to a whole nother website to help you fix that problem. And so why not build something that contains all of those things? You're able to find recipes, but also you're able to get help in the moment when you need help with said recipes. And so I built Chef AI as an AI powered Chefmate AI as an AI powered culinary companion that thinks like a professional chef. You'll be able to give it a recipe and ask whatever questions you have about the recipe. And it's going to take information that already exists about the recipe and its expert knowledge base to be able to help you out. And so some of the main features are light and fast search options. I used Algolia for it, which has an instant search feature. So as soon as you start typing that in, those recipes are going to come back. You're able to talk to the chef AI, chef mate. I keep calling it chef AI, but you're able to talk to the chef mate as a normal person. It's going to give you a regular conversation like, hey, can I use honey instead of sugar? Yes, no, why or why not? And then lastly, what I've also noticed with a lot of recipes, it'll say something that's like kind of unclear. Brine the chicken. What does it mean to brine the chicken? What happens if I brine it too long? You're able to ask any of those questions to ChefMate AI and be able to get an answer from that. And so now I will walk right into that demo. All right, so this is the landing page. So the first thing that I'll type in, I've really been craving ribs. So let's use the apricot glazed pork ribs. And so when you click explore recipe, it's going to open up the full recipe where you're able to see the ingredients, the nutrition, and the directions. And then over here on the right side, you have the conversation with the chef AI mate. And so looking at the ingredients, I don't have apricots, so let's talk about that. I don't have apricots. What could I use instead? Okay. And so, yeah, there's the options that you could substitute it with. Let's take a look at, all right, so using the nutrition, say that I have gym goals that I want to meet. So I want to say, or either way, I'm in a calorie deficit. What could I pair with these? All right, so yeah, we've got some lighter sides there. If you're not in the mood, you're eating ribs. I'm not gonna eat macaroni and cheese, cornbread, the things that I would traditionally eat if I wasn't in a trying to stay in a calorie deficit. And then let's go to the cooking options to ask something that might happen in the moment. All right, so let's say my sauce is too thick. What should I do? All right, yeah, we can just add a little water there. And then lastly, it gives us directions here for baking them in the oven. Let's say that I want to put them on a grill. And then we have the adaptation for if you were using a grill instead. And so when you want to check out other recipes, just close those details and let's pull up something else. All right. Let's say we're not familiar with tarragon to get some information on that. All right. And so I will stop my demo there. All right, so I just wanted to give a brief overview of some of the functionalities of this website. I will also drop the link in case any of you are interested in trying. And please, please, please give me feedback. I ran this by one of my childhood best friends, and she gave me a lot that changed a lot for the better of this website. So any feedback you have, please send that my way. Would love to hear that. But thank you for watching.